y'all, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing another unboxing. So this unboxing is from Everydayecrafts. So thank you to Everydayecrafts for sending me these items for review. So they must have liked my previous unboxing because they were like, do you want to do more? And I'm like, sure. I actually have finished one of their diamond paintings already, so I was happy enough with that. And they also sent me another apparently item in a separate shipment. So let me show you these. Okay, so first thing, I guess since you could see it, it's something not diamond painting. They asked me if I wanted to try out a fidget toy, and at first I was thinking the fidget spinner, but this is not a fidget spinner, so it's like it feels like a soft, maybe silicone plastic, and it's supposed to be supposed to be some sort of like stress reliever. So you just press the buttons. I don't know. Is it entertaining to press the buttons? The bubbles. This might be interesting. Like, I don't know why it's entertaining. But yeah, no, they do have a bunch of these like bubble pressing, stress relieving, what did they call this? The push bubble sensory toy. I'm thinking you could do like weird patterns on this thing, and then you turn it around and now you're like, oh, I could do it again. But yeah, they asked me if I wanted to try it out. I had no idea what it was, so I figure, why not? I don't know, I'm still entertained by pressing the bubbles. So maybe this might be something I could bring with me to work, and if I get like a really frustrating email, I could just be like, you know, like how sometimes when you're frustrated with something, you will just like doodle on a piece of paper or something. While this, you could just do this instead of doodling. But yeah, it's kind of interesting. So this fidget toy push button thing is $4.99 on their site, and they have multiple different designs and colors. So yeah, is this like the new stress ball or like those fidget spinners? It's the new kind. But yeah, I don't know why I'm still entertained pressing the bubbles. But yeah, here is like non-diamond painted related item they do sell in Everydayecrafts. So in case you want to check out this. So now I have 4 diamond paintings here. We'll go for the smallest one. I'm trying to remember what I ordered. Or yeah, I think these might have kind of a theme. So I've been kind of choosing items on a theme or not choose. I don't know. So the first item, okay. This first item is this cat picture. It's supposed to be a 30 by 30. It looks like it might be more a 24 maybe, or a 23 by 23. Oh no, it's actually kind of smaller. So this is, it's a twin. It's like a little bit less than 23 by, it's a little bit less than by 23 by 23. And it's this cat. Can you see it? It's this kind of colorful cat picture here. It does have a basic toolkit. There are 16 colors in this, and just a mixture of letters, numbers, and symbols. Nothing too crazy. Yeah, the drill field looks good. I'm looking at it through the camera, and I'm like, yeah, I could read that. As someone who does not use a light pad, symbol clarity is a very big plus for me, because I don't think any diamond painting should be printed with the anticipation that you do have a light pad. Like, they should not be printing it that way. So the only one that might have an issue is like this dark 6 here. Is it a 6? But looking at it's an 8, but looking at the legend, that's the only thing it could be. There's nothing else you could mistake that for. So yeah, Here's this cat picture. Yeah, 16 colors. Let's just do a quick showing of the drills just to make sure I do have 16 colors. So yeah, 16, 13, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. So it does not look like there's DMC numbers on this one. Yeah, there's no DMC numbers on this one. So yeah, so there's the first one. And did I say how much this one? This one was $5.99 on their site. Okay, next one. I like always going big to small. I mean, small to big. I don't know why. Okay, so next item is... Okay, nothing in there. So this should be another 30 by 30. Oh, and the first one was a round drill. So, basic toolkit again. And it's these owls with coffee. So I got I think I was on an animal kick in this choosing. So I do like my animal diamond pictures as long as, they're nice and colorful. So, and I think I was coffee deprived on this one too. So, so there's these owls with a coffee cup. It should be a 30 by 30 and it looks like it's a little bit less than 25 and yeah, a little bit less than 25. So let's see. So there are 24 colors on this one with DMCs. I don't know if my camera's going to focus. But there's a little bit more assemblage on this, but that's not too bad. There's only 24 colors. This does look like it's printed in the way where the symbols are in circles as opposed to the square grids. And I do like that. It does look like there's a border maybe at the edge here, but doesn't go all the way around. I might just continue the border if E is just one color, just because I feel like I might want to just have a border. So I might just continue, if I have enough E, whatever E is, might just want to continue it. But yeah, I think it looks really cute. So the drills don't have the DMC number on them, but let's make sure there are 24 and also show you the colors at the same time. So here's 20 to 24. Nice, lovely colors there. So 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13, 12, 11, 10, 9. It looks like there's 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Yeah, so it does look like I have all the colors, in case you just kind of want to see it there. So there's the second picture, and this owl is $6.99 on their site. So the next one, yeah, this one seems like the other one seems bigger, so it's a bigger bag. So I don't even remember, what did I get? I'm trying to scroll through. Why can't I find the opening? Why? Okay. Scrolling. Okay. So, yeah, finally got it out. I don't know why that was such a massive endeavor. So this is a bigger one. This should be a 40 by 50. So regular toolkit. And okay, I'm gonna have to bring you up. Is that high enough? Nope. Sorry that the camera's shaky. So it's this Parrot diamond painting. So yeah, I really liked I like the colorful animal pictures. So I was like, I think this one I was on a colorful animal kick. So it's supposed to be a 40 by 50. It's a 34 by 44. So that's a good enough size. And let me bring you down a little bit. I hit my camera. So there are 24 colors in this. It looks like it's a combination of uppercase and lowercase letters. And there are DMCs, which are awesome. Is this a square? Yep, it's a square. Yeah, okay. It's just that when you see the drill field, you could kind of tell a square drill field versus a round drill field because the symbols are so much smaller. So yeah, there is some color blocking in this. That's going to be confetti heaven right there, right? Okay, so this might make me go crazy. Do you see this? There's this E, and then that must be the lowercase m. So yeah, if you're like me who kind of just moves around your diamond painting whatever way is easier, that might make you go crazy a little bit. But yeah, I think the drill field looks really good on this one. So yeah, 24 colors. These are squares. The bags do have the DMC on there, which I like during kitting up so that I could just refer to this. Okay, so did I say there's 24 colors? 3 is by itself for whatever reason. So yeah, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, I see why 3. See, like the 3 was empty, the bag. So that, hey, that's good quality control there. So you still have the 3 here. 6, 7, 8, 9. This 6 is really bright color right there. 9, 10. Ooh, there's some really bright colors. 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. So yeah, ooh, nice bright. These are some bright greens here. Ooh, look at this orange here. But yeah, these are square drills. It's hard to tell quality of the square drills until you actually start working on it. So what number was I on? 17 there, just to make sure I have everything. So 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24. So yeah, this is a really pretty blue here. So yeah, it's a really colorful diamond painting. So I think I'm gonna have my fill with all this color. So yeah, was there 24? Yeah, so we have all the drills. And I do like the fact that they caught this empty here. So someone is checking the drills. So yeah, so this Parrot is $13.99 on their site. So let's do the next one. Okay, last item. Okay, so this seems a little bit bigger. There is in this double bagging here. And then another bag here. Okay, so this looks very much like yeah, this is a different toolkit than normal. It does look very similar to how a AliExpress diamond painting company does their drills. I'm gonna do inventory of this off screen. It's not packed the prettiest, but these are square drills also. Okay, so I've seen a couple YouTubers unbox a similar kind of, like, it's slightly different than normal how this is. Why can't I get all the tape out? Do I need to use my scissors here? Let's see. Oh, I don't want to. Did I cut the plastic? Don't do what I do. Okay, I might have cut the plastic a little bit here. Oh well. Okay. Yeah, tape. Okay. That was an endeavor there. So it does have a foam roller. I'm kind of reluctant to roll this out because this is very similar to a diamond painting you would get from AliExpress that usually does double-sided adhesive. So is this really poured glue? So usually how you could tell poured glue versus double-sided adhesive is double-sided adhesive will peel off if you try to peel it off. So this actually does seem like this is poured glue. I'm not able to peel this off into a nice like I'm not able to peel it off. So yeah, no, this actually looks pretty awesome here. It is these flowers. Is it supposed to go this way? Does it look like it should be this way, or does it look like it should be this way? But yeah, it's these flowers here, and do you have the whole thing here? It's these flowers here. Square drills, sometimes the rendering on the can, or like the colors that you see prior to you putting drills on, it's not as clear as around because you are going to cover it, so they don't need to be super clear. But yeah, this is the image right there, and looks like there's 32 colors, which I love, lots of colors. This does have a lot more symbols than I normally like, but there are DMC numbers, and it even tells you the quantity of them. I do like the canvas of this. It's soft, so like, look, you see, I didn't even roll it back the other way and it's already flat. So yeah, let's look at the drill field. This actually has a lot of color blocking, which is surprising with the 33 colors, but do you see that? It's like a nice amount of color blocking. Not on the flower, but you know, you don't want too much color blocking because then the diamond painting will be boring. So yeah, this is a square diamond painting too. I kind of really want to do this one. It looks really, really pretty. And the drills do come in the baggies. I know some people like that. I do like it too because I don't have to cut open every single one. But yeah, I think I'm gonna assume that all the drills on here, I will do the inventory off camera because that requires me putting these into some semblance of order. But yeah, no, I think this will turn out really, really good. So so I think this actually might be closer to a real 40 by 50. So this is 48.5 by 39. So yeah, it is bigger than my other 40 by 50. So this is more of 40 by 50, like for real and not canvas size. But yeah, so this one on their site is $16.99. So yeah, I think I showed you everything. Yeah. So here is everything I got from Everydayecrafts. So thank you to them again for sending me these items. So here is the last picture here, the flowers, and here is the parrot picture, because apparently I can't think of what animal that is. Here is the owl picture with the coffee. Here is the cat picture. Here's the fidget toy. Am I missing something? No, I think I showed you everything. So yeah. I don't know when I'll get to these, but I have done a diamond painting from Everydayecrafts. So I think the review of it was last week. So yeah, you go check that out. I'll link it. But yeah, thank you to Everydayecrafts for sending me these items, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.